Number 1, little smallmouth. Couple inches bigger smallmouth. The number 3 could be a keeper. Yeah, it's probably 12 inches. Keeper. Number 6. I think I missed 5. This is 6. Sometimes I can't put the record button. My finger's too fat. Number 6. Number 7. Probably 10, 11 inches. Number 8. They're all about the same size. Right under probably 12 inches. That's crazy. Yawk monster. 9 or 10? Down to the 10, 11 inch size. Number 11, 11 inches. Number 12, a keeper. Probably 15 inches. Another Yawk monster. Big boy. Awesome fish. They're fighting like crazy today. Woo! Look at that baby. So far I got it wrapped around his mouth, hooked in the jaw. Wrapped around his mouth. He can't open his mouth. That's probably the only way I caught him. Spotted gar. Probably close to 2 foot. Another nice bass. Channel cat. I guess I'm done for today.